Good workplace housekeeping and physical arrangement. This part of the lesson will share the important points in managing workplace housekeeping as well as proper physical arrangement. These include: number 1, planning and scheduling of housekeeping and physical arrangements. Number 2, highlighting the factors to be considered for preventing accidents and illnesses. And number 3, identifying measures to improve housekeeping and physical arrangement. The preparation for planning of workplace housekeeping as well as physical arrangements depends on types of activities in the work area, processes used that generate dust, fumes, wastes, and others, environmental conditions that may contribute to unsafe conditions such as dustiness, disorderliness, and direct sunlight, and lastly, machinery or equipment located in the workplace area. What about scheduling? Scheduling depends on the activities or processes that are in operations, whether it should be conducted daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or after each event or spillage of chemicals. On top of that, you should also consider factors for preventing accidents and illnesses. These factors include human, machinery, equipment, materials, and work surroundings. Let us discuss each factor. First, human factor, which involve all the followings. Number 1, provide training on workplace safety. Number 2, supervise work in progress. Number 3, prepare safe work procedures. Number 4, ensure workers are competent and experienced in carrying out the work. And number 5, fit the work to the worker. The second factor is machinery factor. This will involve proper arrangement of machinery, sufficient access pathways between machinery, sufficient space around the machinery, and arrangement of machinery according to process sequence. Third is equipment factor, where we need to provide proper equipment storage facilities, provide proper equipment for cleaning spills, provide suitable personal protective equipment for workers. Next is material factor. Here, we need to provide special enclosures for keeping materials, provide designated waste disposal area and facilities, monitor quantities of materials used according to daily or weekly requirements, provide ingress or egress paths for materials. Last factor will be work surrounding. This time, we need to provide a suitable and sturdy work floor, ensure walls are free from collections of dirt, ensure sufficient ventilation, provide sufficient lighting, and provide proper drainage for disposal of waste material. Well, how can we improve and sustain all these practices that we have mentioned earlier? These are the guidelines. Formulate a policy specific for housekeeping and physical arrangements. Formulate plans at initial stages before starting operations. Place the responsibility for ensuring workplace housekeeping on the section leader. Include responsibility for ensuring housekeeping in the work description of individuals. Conduct training related to housekeeping. provide safe work procedures for cleaning activities, create housekeeping rules, conduct inspections of workplaces, prepare a schedule together with a program for workplace cleanliness, monitor cleaning activities, put up warning signages, ensure equipment is not in excess of equipment storage capacity. You have learned about workplace housekeeping and physical arrangement. Let us conclude the lesson. Workplace housekeeping and physical arrangements is essential to avoid the occurrence of accidents and illnesses as stated in the Factory and Machinery Act 1967 and Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994. Workplace housekeeping involves planning and scheduling together with various measures to prevent accidents and illnesses, such as sufficient workspace and training to the workers. Thank you.